it understand. Cause if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up and kill this man. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hi folks, Maureen here. Hope you enjoyed the preview of the song Achy Breaky Heart. Let's move on to the tutorial, or you can fast forward to the play along. Hey folks, here we are, up close and personal for the tutorial. Personally, I like easy chords, and the A major chord is pretty much of an easy chord. Here's how it looks. And here's how it sounds. Now what I'm doing with the A major chord is I am hammering on and off with my pointer finger. So you get, rather than, you get, and you can either keep your fingers in place or let them dance around a little bit, whatever works best for you. Now, E7 is a little bit more challenging, at least it was for me. What we have to do is use 3 fingers. So we're going to release the A major, and I'm going to, if you notice, I'm going to switch around the fingers here. So, and we're going to add the ring finger down at the bottom. So it looks like this, and it sounds like this. And we're going to go back to A major. And E7. That's pretty much it, folks. You can tell the world that never was your girl. Burn my clothes when I'm gone. You can tell your friends just what a fool I've been. Laugh and talk about me on the phone. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. Just don't think it understand. My heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up and kill this man. Ooh, 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 You can tell your mom, go to Arkansas, I'll tell my dogs to bite her leg. Tell your brother Cliff, I think he is a jerk. I never really liked him anyway. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, just don't think he'd understand. Cause if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Now you could tell my arms, go back to the farm. Tell my feet to hit the floor. You can tell my lips to tell my fingertips. They won't be reaching out for you no more. But don't tell my